The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be, on rare occasion, visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It's the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface and, of course, life. Earth is the fifth largest of the planets in the solar system. It's smaller than the four gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune but larger than the three other rocky planets, Mercury, Mars and Venus. Earth has a diameter of roughly 8,000 miles 13,000 kilometers, and is round because gravity pulls matter into a ball. But it's not perfectly round. Earth is really an oblate spheroid, because its spin causes it to be squashed at its poles and swollen at the equator. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being only larger than Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass 1,000th that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions which differ from that of the larger gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Neptune is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Asteroids, also known as small planets or planetoids, are the rocky debris largely found between the planets Mars and Jupiter. The asteroids revolve around the Sun, which varies from 10 to 10 years. By the time more than 4,50,000 asteroids are discovered, the largest asteroid is Ceres, which diameter is about 1,025 kilometers. Meteors, also popular as shooting star or falling star, is the passage of a comet, asteroid, or meteoroid into the Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroids are the small rocky or metallic bodies that normally travel through outer space. Meteoroids are expressively smaller than asteroids, and its size ranges from small grains to meteor-wide objects. Comets are the icy small solar system body. Normally while passing close to the sun, heats up and starts to out gas, displaying a visible atmosphere. The formation and evolution of the solar system began 4.6 billion years ago with the gravitational collapse of a small part of a giant molecular cloud. The solar system also contains other things. There are asteroid belts, mostly between Mars and Jupiter. Further out than Neptune, there is the Kuiper belt and the scatter disk. These areas have dwarf planets, including Pluto, Makemake, Haumea, Ceres and Eris. There are thousands of very small objects in these areas. There are also comets, centaurs, and there is interplanetary dust. 6 of the planets and 3 of the dwarf planets are orbited by moons. Furthermore, planetary dust orbits the gas giants. Many other systems like the solar system have been found. Each of the billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy might have a planetary system. The solar system has evolved considerably since its initial formation. Many moons have formed from circling disks of gas and dust around their parent planets, while other moons are believed to have formed and were later captured by their planets. Still others, as the Earth's moon, may be the result of giant collisions. Many collisions between bodies have occurred, and have been important to the evolution of the solar system. In the early stages, the positions of the planets sometimes shifted, and planets have switched places. This planetary migration is thought to have been responsible for much of the solar system's early evolution.